Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've updated to iOS 18.2 and you're excited to try out Image Playground, but it's just not working, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you some quick solutions to get Image Playground app and running. Solution 1 is check device compatibility. Dear friends, Image Playground is part of Apple Intelligence, so this app is only available for a limited number of iPhone models. For example, iPhone 15 Pro, 15 Pro Max, iPhone 16, 16 Plus, iPhone 15 Pro, and 16 Pro Max. So please check what iPhone do you have. So that open the Settings app and scroll to General, then click on About. So on this page, you can see your iPhone name. Okay, if your iPhone name is included on this given screen, even though not working, then go with the next solution. Solution 2 is check the iOS version. The second thing is to check the iOS software firmware. Image Playground app or Genmoji is only available with iOS 18.2 or later version. So you must have iOS 18.2 or later OS installed. For that, open the Settings app, click on General, and tap on Software Update. Now wait till the screen loads and make sure you have the latest version. If any update is available, please update it first. Sometimes, users have the latest version even though Genmoji does not work. In such case, go with clue number 3. Now, solution 3 is please ensure Apple Intelligence is activated on your device. Apple AI comes off by default, so after iOS 18.2 update, you have to enable Apple Intelligence. So go to the Settings app, scroll the screen to Apple Intelligence and Siri, then turn the toggle green next to Apple Intelligence. Now, you may have to stand on the watch list. It will take an hour to a day to approve your request. Sometimes, it approves your request instantly. It depends on time and region. If your Apple Intelligence on even the Genmoji app is not working, then check the next clue. My solution 4 is check your device language. To many users it says, Apple Intelligence features aren't yet available in all regions and languages. As of now, they are only available in English US, English Australia, English Canada, English Ireland, English UK, English New Zealand, and English South Africa. So even if Apple grants you access to Apple Intelligence, you won't be able to use Image Playground until you switch the language and region to one of the supporting ones. To do so, head to Settings and click on General, then tap on the language and region. On this screen, choose a supported language, for example, USA English. Now force close Settings app by swipe from the bottom and hold on the middle of the screen. Now pull Settings app card upside. So now it has been force closed. Now reopen the Settings app and check the Apple Intelligence working or not. Then after, Solution 5 is joined Image Playground waitlist. While other Apple Intelligence features can be used as soon as you pass the Apple Intelligence waitlist, the same isn't true with Apple Intelligence. This is because the image generation features Image Playground, Genmoji, and Image Wand, which have a separate waitlist, which you must join if you want access to these services. Although the iPhone automatically prompts you to join the Image Playground waitlist once you update it to iOS 18.2, if it doesn't, you can head to Settings and do so. Solution number 6 is force quit the Image Playground app. To force quit the Image Playground app on your iPhone, swipe up from the bottom of the screen, find the app in the app switcher, then swipe it up to close. Once again, navigate the Playground app and launch it to use the Genmoji app. If any issue occurs, then go to the next workaround. Solution number 7 is restart your iPhone. So guys, you have to press and hold the side button and volume up or volume down button together. When the slide to power off slider appears, drag it to turn off your iPhone. Then wait for another 30 seconds. Press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears to turn it back on. Solution number 8 is check the provided prompt. You can create AI images in the Image Playground using text prompts. However, if the system displays an unable to use that description error, the issue often lies with the prompt rather than the playground itself. Apple restricts prompts to prevent inappropriate image generation. You will see the same error if your prompt includes words related to drugs, alcohol, murder, blood, death, or other controversial topics. When you encounter the unable to use that description error, simply remove the prompt and provide a new description. Image Playground will take care of the rest. Solution number 9 is reset all settings on your iPhone. As a last resort, try resetting all settings. Don't worry, this won't delete your data. So guys, I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.